Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about the count function, and I will explain as I promised. So I'm going to explain all the DAX function for frameworks. So one is the definition, uh, one is syntax, and one is what is the input of the DAX function and what it provides as output. Uh, what is the input like? What it takes, table or single value or a single column, and what it provides as a value or the table or or the column, and the behavior of the function. Okay, so what is the definition of the count? Okay, so counts counts count rows specified in the column that contains non-blank non-blank values. So what does it mean? Let's say I have ID column, product table, and sum of quantity and unit price, and it delivered or not. So what count function does? It counts all the rows that's specified in a column that contains non-blank value. It doesn't mean it doesn't count count this column. So what it does, it just keeps the non-blank values. It just keeps the blank values and it will count the non-blank values. So value. So what is the syntax of that? So count and take input as a column. Syntax is the count and the column. So what is the input of this column? Input of the column is, so input of the count function is the column. It takes a column. So and what is the output of this function? What is the output? It just provide just value, right? It just provide a value, single value. That too, what it does. So what it does, how the single value would be. The single value would be it counts all rows specified in a column that contains non-blank values. Okay, it takes input as a column and provides single value. That single value with the count of all rows specified in a column that contains non-blank values. So it count all the values of the ID and front. So before going to that, you might ask, it supports all the data types? The answer is no. It supports only text data type and date data type and number data type. And doesn't support, no, doesn't support Boolean data type. Let's see. Let me count the text data type. So I'm trying to take a measure. Product count. So count of name of the table is table one. So what is the input of what it takes as input? It's a column, right? So we can take. So what you want to calculate product? So product. So Okay. Now I take row code as a visual here, where I'm just dragging and drop product count. So it will count. My expect output is 14. Then you count all non-black values. Same as a product also. So same as the ID also. Same as the unit price also. So I'm just editing this. Unit price. So this is the number data type. Expect output is 14 because there is no non-black. Let's say if I take it as a quantity, what is the expected output? So how many non-blank values here? So total 14. If you remove uh, two blanks from the 14, the total is 12. The total is 12. So it keeps the blank values. Now it supports only the number data type, test data type, and date data type. Doesn't support Boolean data type. Let's say that's test is delivered. So what is the error? This function count can't work with the value of type Boolean. So how to overcome this? How to calculate the Boolean data type also? There is a function called the count A. So if you use the count A, it counts the 13 because count A also skips the blank values. It will count only the non-blank values 13. So count A supports all the data types, including Boolean also. So I think you enjoy the session. So we can break down any DAX function in this way so that you can understand what is the output of the function. So syntax will allow you to understand what is the input parameters and input output, allowing you to understand. So what is the input, whether it takes the table or whether it takes the column, whether it takes the any extraction. Okay. And so what output provides? So it provides a singular value or the table or singular column. And we here also understand what it does actually. What it does, it just count all the rows specified that contains non-blank values. Here the keyword for non-blank values and the count. That single value would be the count of the non-blank values of these data types. These data types. So in this way, we can understand any DAX function very easily. Okay. I think you enjoy the session. If you really enjoy the session, please like it and comment on it and subscribe it. Thank you.